Alright guys, so we're back at Lowe's, seeing if they got any new sales or clearance deals. We're in the lawn and garden right now, and if you guys seen my previous videos, you guys know they got tons of deals going on for Craftsman. They got the hedge trimmer here, 99 bucks. All of these deals, pretty much most of them come with batteries and chargers also. So if you're not in the line of Craftsman, you don't need to be, because you'll get your batteries and your charger along with it. But these all been in my previous Lowe's videos. They've been doing these deals for a while, so this was good from 3/28 all the way till May. So they've been going on for a while, and they're going to be going on for the rest of the month until May. So if you guys are looking for some outdoor power equipment, maybe leaning towards Craftsman, definitely a good time to check them out at Lowe's. Here is a string trimmer, $99. And like I said, all of these are good until May. This one right here is the only one I've seen so far that is good until April. But that is the RP, which is, those are the higher end brushless by Craftsman. Definitely, if you can afford it, go with the RP. But if not, they've got a lot of good deals going on. But I did also want to mention over here, this is a new deal. They got the Husqvarna 40 volt 21 inch self-propelled lawnmower. It looks like it's coming with a 15 amp hour battery, 2 batteries and charger included, $7.99. This one is good till 4/17, and that's a look at it right there. It's a really nice lawnmower by Husqvarna. And then here are some of the specs on it. So 40 volt, 2 7.2 amp hour batteries, 250 watt quick charger, up to 75 minutes of runtime, 21 inch width for the cutting, 3-in-1 mulch bag, side discharge. So a pretty nice lawnmower there. And then they do got some other deals going on for Husqvarna over here. So it looks like they got the 40 volt 18 inch brushless chainsaw, $3.99 for that, was $4.79. And that's going to be an 18 inch chainsaw. It's a nice discount there. And over here they got the pole saw, 10 inch pole saw for $3.39. Another good deal there. They got the leaf blaster, they call it, but leaf blower, 40 volt, 800 CFM, 7.5 amp hour battery. Get the charger also, $2.99. Over here, got the 8 inch handheld edger, $3.69. And then they have the Hedgemaster 4 amp hour battery for $2.39. And then if you guys are looking for the string trimmer, they got the 16 inch straight shaft, 4 amp hour battery. That one's coming in at $2.39. And then over here they got the 18 inch straight shaft attachment capable string trimmer, 4 amp hour battery with that one, $3.39. So a few deals going on for the Husqvarna that are fairly new. And then like I said, they are going on until 4/17 for these. So you got the Craftsman down there, good till May. These are good till 4/17, so April 17th. Had this in my last video too. They got the Cobalt clearanced out. That's the 40 volt LED light, down to $69.27. That's it down there, and that's the hybrid, so AC or battery powered. And then they got the power inverter, $69.97, 300 watt power inverter, pretty nice. So nice couple little clearance deals there. If you guys are looking for some storage solutions, maybe for your shop or garage, they do got the Cobalt. A couple special values going on. So they got the steel cabinet up there. They got this wall mounted steel cabinet down to $149. Go ahead and zoom up there for you guys. There's the dimensions. That's also good to 4/17. And then they got that rolling cabinet down to $199. So there's a look at the dimensions on that one. But this was $269 for that one. Then that one up there, I think it says 189. So that was 189 down to 149, 269 down to 199. That one's got the nice wood top on there. These are the nicer cobalt cabinets. And then they do also have the bigger cabinet here, this floor standing cabinet. See it down here. They got this one down to 319. So there is the dimensions on that one. Pretty big. Was $399 down to $319 for a special value. Also good until April 17th. So you got a few cabinets there by Cobalt. You got the floor standing, got the roller, and then you got the wall hanger there. Here's a better look at the Cobalt 36-inch cabinet. So pretty big cabinet, taller than me. And then go ahead and look inside. It's got a few adjustable shelves in there. Lots of room, storage, all metal. So none of that plastic crap. It's got the lock on it. So pretty nice floor standing cabinet there. Kind of hard to get a good look at it, but same size as like a refrigerator. All right guys, so here's a deal on the Flex 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench. This is the kit too. They got this down to $279, was $349, and you can get some batteries, charger, and then also the hard case with that. So it looks like you get the 5 amp hour battery, I think that is. Yeah, 5 amp hour battery, 160 watt fast charger, the case, and then this is going to be good for 1150 for the torque. Yeah, so this is 1150 foot-pounds of breakaway torque on this impact kit by Flex. So 1/2 inch. So pretty nice. $279 for that. A couple more deals they got going on for Flex. They got the 1-inch rotary hammer bare tool, $239, and then they got the 6 amp hour battery for $183.20. So a couple more deals going on there for Flex. I've had this for a while, but 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw kit, $249. That's also going to come with a 10 amp hour battery, the charger, and then a case. Nice little deal on that. See if we can find anything else going on for Flex. For you guys that don't know, they do have the 18 gauge brad nailer. Buy one and then you get the free 2.5 amp hour starter kit. That's good until May. And here's a look at that 18 gauge brad nailer, and then you get the 2.5 amp hour battery and the fast charger with it. So buy one get one for Flex until May for that one. Also until May, they got the Bosch deal going on for the buy one get one. So your choice, select Bosch bare tool, you get a 4 amp hour battery kit for free. And then there is the buy and get numbers. That's good until May for the Bosch. They do got a few things that are marked down a little bit. They got the 2-in-1 impact driver kit. $149 was $179 for that. It's going to come with some batteries, the charger, and everything. They got $109 for the 5-inch Orbit sander. That's just the tool only. Go ahead and check out some DeWalt. Pretty sure they still got this deal going on until May too. This is the DeWalt 12-volt power tools. Buy one get one. So you get the 2-pack battery starter kit if you buy one of the 12-volt tools. Alright guys, so here's a look at the DeWalt 12-volt tools. So you buy one of these, and then that's where you're going to get the starter kit for free, and that comes with a 3 amp hour and a 5 amp hour battery and the charger. So not a bad pickup. Wide variety of tools there to choose from, which is nice. Extreme subcompact series. And then they got the same deal going on for DeWalt's 20-volt Max XR tools. So you buy one and then you get the 2-pack power stack batteries for free. Go ahead and zoom up on the numbers there for you guys. This one's good until April 17th. Here's a look at the display they got for the tools. So buy one of these 20 volts. It's got the oscillating tool, circular saw. Got a bunch of different tools to choose from. I like this one right here. And then you get 2 of the Power Stack batteries for free. So that's what they got going on for the 20 volt DeWalt. They got 119 for the hammer drill driver kit. So there is the hammer drill driver, 2 amp hour battery charger. You get the bag with that also. So 119, that was 179. Got the 21 piece black and gold drill bit set, 1998 for that. They got the 3-piece oscillating blade cutting set, 24.98. This is always a nice pickup here. The 100-piece drill bit set, 39.98. And then they got the 12-inch 80-tooth miter saw blades, 49.98 for that. For Kobalt, they also got the buy one get one going on. This one is till April 17th also, but if you buy one of the XTR power tools, you get a free 4 amp hour battery. And then there are the buy and get numbers there. Good until April 17th. And then if you check out your local Lowe's, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this at your local Lowe's or not, but tons of yellow stickers going on for their current power tools. Most of them are just the brushless, not the XTRs, but lots of new lower prices on all the Kobalt power tools. They had this clearanced out for a while. It's the circular saw, down to $59. They got the ratchet down to $79. 3/8 ratchet, I'm pretty sure that is. Heat gun down to $79. They got the 4-inch saw down to $59. With tons of tools marked down for Kobalt. Just not doing too much with the XTRs. Those look like they're all the same prices still. But they are doing the buy one get one if you guys are looking for an XTR or so. Also for Metabo, buy one get one going on if you got Metabo at your stores. This is good until April 17th. And they got a few yellow stickers over here. Trim router down to 109. They got the angle grinder here, 109. One-handed recip down to 99. I got the circular saw, 7 1/4 inch circular saw down to 119. Jigsaw down to 79. So a few deals going on for Metabo. Looks like for Craig, they got a few deals going on. Clearance deal. They got the Craig pocket hole machine down to $239. So nice discount on that for a clearance deal. And that's what it looks like. And then over here, they got the Craig TrueFlex featherboard down to $24.57, was $40. So nice pickup there. Nice clearance deal. Pretty much 50% off. If you guys can find that at your local Lowe's, that's a good deal. Also for Craftsman, they got buy one get one. So they got the RP power tools, which is their high-end brushless. If you buy their starter kit, you get one of those for free. And then there are the buy and get item numbers there. And that's good until April 17th. Here's a nice clearance deal on a Tough Belt. This is the wide mouth tool tote. Pretty nice, good build quality on these Tough Belts, but they got this all the way down to $51.97. This was $64. There's the item number and model number if you guys want to check it out, see if you guys got that at your Lowe's. But real nice tool bag there by Tough Belt, clearanced out. All right, when you come to Lowe's, you know you always got to check out the back aisle. If you guys follow my channel at all, you know I've been paying close attention to these coolers. These are the Kobalt coolers, 20 quart hard cooler. They've had that price $49 for a while now. I was going in to see if those dropped any lower, but they haven't. Still a good deal if you can find that at your local Lowe's. Kind of comparable to the Yetis or the Arctic coolers. Let's see what else they got. Oh, look at this, guys. They got a Kobalt power scrubber kit. So power scrubbing kit, $39.72 was $59. So there's a look at it. IPX7 waterproof rating, telescoping power scrubber kit, and it comes with the 2 amp hour battery and the 45 watt charger for $40. So even just the battery and the charger is worth that much. So you're pretty much getting the tool for free. So not a bad pickup there, and they got a bunch of them. So some of the specs: extends up to 6 foot, 6 position pivoting head, bi-directional spinning brushes, 6-inch brush size. There's your battery there, 2 amp hour battery charger. And that's everything it includes. But not a bad pickup for $40. Might want to check out your Lowe's, see if you got the same deal going on. Looks like they got same old DeWalt stuff. Haven't marked this down yet. Got the Impact XR for $197. There's the kit. But all these prices pretty much the same as they've been over the last few months for the DeWalt tools. They got some Tough Built knee pads, $29.67. Gel fit rocker knee pads, non-marring knee pads, $26.17. Looks like they got some Kobalt ones. Kobalt for $16.57. Pure, some more knee pads, $5.97. Tough Built stabilizer knee pads, $13.97. Those were $34. So those are pretty nice. I like that style of a knee pad. But I don't think they got anything else going on. Any more good deals. Alright guys, so that's a quick run through of what's going on at my local Lowe's. Haven't done a video at Lowe's for I think a little bit over a week, maybe it's 2 weeks now. So there you go, just a quick run through, let you guys know what deals are going on at Lowe's. Probably gonna head to Home Depot and check out those deals over there, do another video, and I'll post that for you guys also. So hopefully you guys found the video useful. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment down below, let me know what deals you're finding at your local Lowe's. Love to hear it. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.